Hello, my name is Ryan. Today I'll be taking you to a demonstration of Laxis AI. Laxis is an end-to-end sales and revenue platform built to help businesses scale output, enhance operations, consolidate tools that optimize a multitude of functions all into one place to allow teams to truly leverage the power of AI seamlessly and expedite growth cost effectively. So we can start with our lead generation tools. This is AI Prospect Research. This is a tool that businesses are leveraging to curate high-value target lists from our B2B database. As you can see, there's some business insight filters down here, revenue, technology, funding. You can find open roles at different businesses. Once your team determines what are the ideal criteria to search for your ICP for the campaign, you can save that list and then jump into that list and you can start leveraging our AI research feature. And this is going to allow you to find even more in-depth personalized insights through web search. So it's going to be information that you're not typically finding in a database. You're going to prompt the AI to do research on your behalf. So this example is finding positive news articles about companies. Of course, you can create your own templates and your own prompts based off of your specific business and your unique, data points that are relevant for your buyers. But the example here would be to finding these, positive news articles on these leads. And the goal here is to automate and essentially capture personalization at scale. So we're going to be leveraging these data points into our messaging to optimize engagement. From there, once you have all that high value data, you're going to want to leverage AI to then facilitate the outreach. So that's where the AI SDR comes into play. We have these AI SDR agents that are capable of multi-channel outreach from email, LinkedIn, and phone. So each has their own individual email, phone number, and you connect with your team's LinkedIn account. They're capable of both outbound and inbound. So if you have a high volume of inbound leads coming in, AI can step in and qualify and schedule and book time on your behalf to save your team time. In regards to outbound, simply plug in your URL and Laxis is going to be able to curate specific data points that are relevant to optimize messaging. Bring that list over from prospect research or leverage and maybe an older lead list to reactivate leads, directly connect with your CRM. Flexible in terms of who you want to facilitate outreach to. But the last step would be to set the goal. So book a meeting, choose the language, and then we can allocate agents. Agents, the more agents, the more velocity, which is the beauty of AI outreach. You can simply instantly scale. If you find this one campaign is bringing in great results, just instantly add more agents and compound results. Here's the playbook. We have custom playbooks in place, but of course, we have preset playbooks in place, but of course you can customize your own, adjust prompts as you like, add touch points, add channels, AI voice. You can connect with your calendar to automatically book and check your availability on your behalf, transfer phone calls to human reps to streamline cold call sessions. One thing to note, Lax AI is a human-like voice, multilingual. We can customize the accent or even upload your own voice into the system to really make a personalized AI assistant there. All of this, of course, with the end goal of generating sales opportunities. So whether the sales meeting was booked via Lax AI or elsewhere, this is where Laxis AI Meeting Assistant steps in. And this tool is connected with your calendar. It's going to jump into your calls, record, transcribe, provide AI-generated summaries, follow-up email recommendations, and then you can also have custom templates created if you have specific needs based off your calls typically. You can share calls within channels with team members, track keywords, insights, and even have conversations with Laxis about this call if you want to do some strategy. What were the main pain points that came across in our Q2 calls? And all this data is going right to our marketing team to fuel the business. There's separate channels if you can, share recordings with specific team members, insights, trackers. So from lead generation to deal optimization and customer success, these are the products in Laxis currently. And the only part of the puzzle that's really missing is the phone calls and the in-person meetings. That data is currently not being tracked in the system. That's where our OSO earbuds come in, and I'm going to share a video of that right after this. But essentially, all the conversations that are had over the phone or in person, you can have the Laxis mobile app, record those, and all this data is coming into one place from lead data, outreach data, virtual meeting data, and then in-person and phone calls. And this is just going to continue to fuel your business, fuel your messaging, your marketing, and automate a lot of those time-consuming tasks. That's all for now. I'm going to share the video of OSO earbuds, and hopefully this was helpful. Thanks. Bye.
Imagine having a personal assistant who never misses a beat, someone who takes perfect notes, keeps track of every detail, and frees you up to focus on what matters. Meet OSO, your ultimate AI assistant. This is Jack, always busy, always connected, filled with back-to-back meetings, phone calls, and online conferences. But with OSO recording everything played through it, Jack never misses a single detail. Even when he's double booked, OSO's AI assistant stays on the call, records it for him, while Jack takes on other priorities. OSO can also record face-to-face meetings. As Jack's closing the deals with clients, OSO's got both meetings covered, recording every word in both scenarios simultaneously. OSO turns hours of talk into bite-sized summaries. Just choose a conversation and click on any part of the summarized topics. It brings that exact part of recording and transcription right to you.
Closed 12 deals in 2 weeks. That's a bold promise.
Need to write stuffs after meeting? OSO helps create follow-up email and 20+ types of content, all based on the transcriptions it captured. Jobs can never be done so quickly and easily. Finish your work and go home early. Get an OSO and get yourself supercharged in productivity.